Okay, this is quiz number 15, and again we want to do a number of different source transformations to trying to find the Thevenin equivalent. So we can start out right here. We have a current source and a resistor in parallel. So let's do a source transformation. See if that helps us out. So we would have our 50. Whoops. Let's see. We're going to have our plus or minus 50 volt resistor or voltage source, and now that is going to be in series with a this would be 2 times 10 or a 20 volt voltage source and a 10 ohm resistor, and then that's going to come down and meet here with a 15 ohm resistor, and then we've got a 0.5 amp current source, and there's A and B. I obviously need to write smaller. Whoops. So maybe I'll go down here and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so we can combine then these two voltage sources into a let's see, so we're going to have a 30 volt source and a 10 ohm resistor, and that's going to be connected to a 15 ohm and a 0.5 amp current source. And then now we can do a source a source transformation here, and so that's going to be equal to a current source, which is going to be 30 divided by 10, so 3 amps, and then we've got 10 ohms in parallel with 15 ohms, and that's all in parallel with a 0.5 amp current source. Again, that's A and B, and I can go this direction. This is equal to, so now these current sources are in series, and notice this one goes in the opposite direction, so I've got a current source here that's now going to be 2.5 amps, and a resistor that's in parallel. This resistor is going to be 10 in parallel with 15, so it's 10 times 15 divided by 10 plus 15, so what's that, 150 divided by 25, so 6 ohms. This will be 6 ohms, A, B, and now we do a source transformation back to get 2.5 times 6. So let's see, so that's going to be what, 12, 13, 14, 15 volts and 6 ohms, A, B. All right, so our answer should have been 15 volts and 6 ohms. Okay, that's how to do quiz number 15.